Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining, and if you're returning, I do appreciate the support. I am Tamika, and this is Life with Tamika Lynn. On my channel, I love to talk about all things fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I absolutely love handbags, so I do a lot of handbag reviews. If those are things that interest you, please hit that little subscribe button down below. While you're at it, hit that bell notification so that you're aware each and every time I upload a video. I know it's been a couple weeks since I uploaded a video, you guys, but it's been a lot going on. I think I'll make a separate video regarding that though, but my family has moved. I mean, we've just had a lot of stuff going on, a lot of family changes, additions to our family, just so much going on. So I've just been extremely preoccupied. Between that and my very demanding career, I haven't had a lot of time for me and to make my videos. So guys, please pardon my absence, but I'm gonna try to get better. I swear I am. I know I've said that a few times. If you've been around a while, you know I've said that a few times, but I promise in my heart I'm really trying. So guys, we are actually in Hawaii. We've been here a few days. My husband and I, we flew out. We came for a wedding to celebrate love, but we also considered this like our delayed anniversary trip. Our 10-year anniversary was back in February, but we really couldn't travel. We didn't feel comfortable traveling anywhere and not having family locally to watch our children. So we kind of put off doing something until, we came to Hawaii. So we kind of shot two birds with one stone, here for the wedding and also staying a few days so we can kind of just, enjoy some together time and just, reconnect. Life gets busy and sometimes you kind of like lose sight of those things that mean the world to you because you just have so many things going on. So it's been a really good trip. We've been able to reconnect, have a lot of downtime, have a lot of intimate time with just us, without the children or anybody else. I mean, one day we literally just slept in and that was just phenomenal because we have a 1-year-old. She'll be 2 in June, and so we don't really get those small pleasures like that because when she says get up, the whole house gets up. So yeah. But anyway, so we've been in beautiful Hawaii the last few days, and yesterday we were going to meet up with family once we left breakfast, but we had some time to kill. So my husband had the bright idea to let's go to the mall. Now, this was not my idea. I had no plans on even going to the mall while we were here. Our resort does have a Louis Vuitton in it. So our first day here, I did pop into Louis Vuitton just because, but other than that, I had no desire, nothing to shop or anything. But he suggested yesterday after we left breakfast that we check out the mall just to pass some time. So we did, and I ended up getting a bag. Yes, I bought a bag. And I bought a bag from Gucci. So I do have several Gucci bags in my collection. They're older bags. I probably haven't purchased anything from Gucci in, I think maybe about 5 years ago, my husband bought me something for Christmas, a Marmont. It was like black with gold hardware, beautiful bag. But before that, it had probably been a few years. Yeah, it's been a while, and I only have a couple in my collection, but I don't know, we just popped in there just to see what they had, and I actually saw something that I really liked. But once I left, just full disclosure, I was like, oh, maybe I shouldn't have gotten it because I wasn't like going, to the mall to buy anything. I had no, ideas on, buying anything right now. It was just really just the moment. Like, we happened to be there. I saw something I really liked. I got it. But yeah, I left a little bit having some second thoughts. So once I unbox this, leave me some comments down below. Tell me what you guys think. This is definitely a newer bag. puts you in the mind of a bag from another brand. Once you see it, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But let's get into this unboxing. All right, so I purchased a bag. I should say actually we purchased, but a bag and a small leather good, or SLG, to go along with the bag. You guys know I'm such a SLG girl, so they bring me so much delight. So anytime I can buy a SLG to coordinate with something, I do. But box, very beautiful box. Gucci has been using this this packaging for quite some time. I bought my daughter a Gucci belt a couple years ago, maybe like 4 years ago or so, and it was the same packaging. So I mean, it works. It definitely works. And I absolutely love their rebranding. The green is just absolutely beautiful. It has like embroidery on it. I absolutely love this bag. But yeah, so they still have the same packaging from the last time I made a purchase in Gucci, but I definitely think it works, and it's absolutely beautiful. So let's go ahead and unbox so I can show you guys what I purchased. Now, when I went in, I saw a couple of things, but I absolutely, when I saw this, I just thought it would work well. So Gucci does put their bags in like tissue paper, very different from Louis Vuitton. So Louis Vuitton just, you know, it goes in the box and then they put the dust bag, but Gucci does include like this tissue paper, which I've always thought was a very nice touch. You know, it's those extra things that make them, you know, kind of stick out a bit. But here's the dust bag. And the bag I picked up yesterday. Oh, and I did ask for a brand new one from the back because if I could help it, I don't want the display bag. So I do ask for items to come from the back. So it still has like the protective. Gucci is really good with doing this little like protective. There were these things as well on the front of the bag when I took, or in the front and the back of the bag when I took it out of the dust bag. But they're really good with that. But anyways, so I present to you, this is the Ophidia small top handle, or Ophidia GG small top handle bag. Now, this bag definitely puts you in the mind of a Louis Vuitton Speedy. I would correspond this to a Speedy 25. But when I saw this, I was like, oh, that is so pretty. Now, this bag did come in brown, but I did opt for the navy blue. So I'll just do some up close photos, or up close to the camera. But this is, Gucci now does this Supreme canvas, and it's basically like a coated canvas. Back in the day, their bags were fabric. I had a very similar bag like this. I probably purchased it in maybe like, I would say 2010, somewhere around there. I'll try to find some pictures and insert, but it used to be called the Boston bag, and I had it in brown. So it was like the brown GG, but it was fabric on this part with the GG, the small GG, and then of course this fabric right here was still there. But I'll definitely insert some pictures, and I still have that bag, and sometimes I do still carry it, but it's one of those oldie but goodie type bags. It's definitely a more vintage bag, but this remake is definitely very, very nice. So let me like calm down, because I'm a bit excited. I'm a bit excited about this purchase. One, because I hadn't purchased from Gucci in so long, and two, I just thought it was absolutely adorable. So the bag does have silver hardware, and let's take this stuff off. But the silver hardware is not extreme, like it's not very, very bright, but it's definitely silver hardware. The zipper does extend down the sides, and what I thought was a bit quirky was that these D-rings, they are alternate sides, like they're almost like diagonal to each other. Don't really know why the design feature is like that. Normally the D-rings would be like right here, or sometimes you'll see them connected to the handles, But yeah, if you could see, so this one is on the left, and well, I guess on camera they're both on the left, but they're on different sides of the bag. But yeah, like I said, it's like this coated canvas, and then the fabric right here is, you know, the red and blue. So this bag is navy blue is the color that it's considered. On the bottom, there are no feet. And then let's just unzip it to show you the inside. Now the bag is completely stuffed. So let's take out some of the stuffing. When I saw it, I kept going back. We were in the store a very long time. Like, my husband sat down, he had champagne. I was looking at different things. So I just kept going back and forth on whether I wanted this bag, but ultimately I did decide on it. But like I said, I left thinking, I don't know. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this new design? What are your thoughts on it? I would just definitely love some feedback. But the interior is very light, and this is fabric. So I can see this getting dirty. If I don't know, I had second thoughts on keeping it, but if I keep it, I definitely do think I would buy some type of liner, not necessarily for structure, because this is an extremely structured bag, but I would buy the liner just to keep the inside clean. Yeah, because it's very light. But anyway, so it's one big hole, and then there is a zip pocket right here. This zip pocket is pretty deep, and this is just like the Gucci product information, but the zip pocket is pretty deep. I think you could probably fit cards, keys, you could fit multiple items in that zip compartment. Now, the bag did come with a strap. The strap is leather. It is, show you, it is this navy blue leather. Gosh, their packaging is really secure. I'm sorry guys, I did not expect the strap to be wrapped up, but I'm definitely not complaining. The strap is adjustable and detachable, of course. So the strap has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different settings on it to where you could adjust it. And I did try it on in store. I'm gonna insert some mod shots. I put it on both crossbody with the strap, and I also held it top handle just to see what it looked like. Now, I had on like this little dress yesterday. The bag definitely did not coordinate with what I had on, but I think you'll get the gist when you see the photos. Also in silver, and they do say Gucci at the very bottom. I don't know if you could see that, but claw clips, that's what they're called. But let's attach the strap so that I can attach the actual clips to the bag. So the to make it adjustable, it does come into 2 parts. So let me show you guys that. And then just attaching the strap to the bag. And the strap is kind of stiff. It definitely is kind of stiff. I'm assuming over time it will give. I don't really understand the thought process though about the placement of the D-rings. I really don't, because it kind of makes the bag like, I don't know, it kind of like falls over a little bit depending on how you're wearing it. So I don't know if that makes sense, but I'll do a more in-depth review on this bag at a later time. Once I start to carry it, I'll definitely do a initial review video. So this is, like I said, the Ophidia GG small top handle bag. This did come in a mini size and a medium size. The mini was too small. I have a Speedy 20, so I definitely didn't need that size again. And then the medium was quite big. I would say I would compare the medium size to maybe like a Speedy 30, maybe even a 35, because that thing looked huge in store. So guys, tell me what you think about my new top handle bag, which before was called the Boston bag. And then lastly, I bought a matching SLG. The store, my experience in the store was absolutely amazing. The sales associates were just so very nice. Like I said, we had been in there quite a while. The mall was not very crowded whatsoever. So at one point, I was the only customer in the back of the store for quite some time. My husband always goes to find like the most comfortable area to sit in, and he kind of just lets me do my thing when I'm in stores. He's so patient with me, and I appreciate him for that. But we were in the back of the store, wasn't a lot of foot traffic whatsoever, but different associates kept coming back, you know, having small talk, kept asking if I wanted something to drink. I wasn't thirsty because we had just left breakfast. I didn't order anything, but they asked me multiple times that I want something to drink. So I just thought their customer service was top notch. They were all extremely friendly, and I did appreciate the service that they provided. All right, guys, so here is the SLG. And as you can see, it's identical to the bag. And so called the Ophidia GG card case holder. And this is absolutely a card holder. So there's multiple slots. I'll take out, there's this paper packaging. So I'll take this out so that you guys can see the card slots. So there's 4 slots, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's navy, so it's kind of hard to see. And then there's a bill slot right here, and then you can also put additional cards behind the 2 card slots. And then there is a zip compartment for like coins. So I did think the wallet would be functional for me, and I thought it was extremely cute, so I did get the wallet as well. So guys, that is my purchase, my impromptu purchase at that, but this is my purchase from Hawaii. I would love to hear your comments down below. Please feel free to share. If you have seen this collection or if you own something from this collection, please let me know. I definitely feel as if this new canvas will hold well. A little concerned about the fabric in the center. I can definitely see it like picking up lint, especially if you're wearing it crossbody. So I will probably definitely be paying attention to that. But the actual canvas itself, if you can hear that, yeah, it's definitely very, very sturdy. I definitely think this will withstand the test of time. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please leave me some comments down below. Like, share, subscribe, and until next time, be safe.